The Superfecta Finale. Ready to go. Here they come. They're off. All-American Shaker out fast. A ragged start there. Golden Receiver. Harris Best on the outside with Cha-Cha Star on the rail. All-American Shaker and Pat LaChance urging that one on to the front. Golden Receiver, Cha-Cha Star. Harris Best slides in fourth in front of Tommy Shark fifth. Heading to the quarter. Stretch Artist is sixth as Blue Boy goes up from seventh. Jade's Ideal is eighth. Then it's Busted again, followed by Ammo Sid and Mackenzie's Bliss. Opening quarter for Golden Receiver and Brennan, 27-1. Golden Receiver on the boiler down the backstretch. All-American Shaker second. Cha-Cha Star third. Harris Best is fourth. Tommy Shark is out fifth. To follow him is Blue Boy sixth as they continue towards the half. Stretch Artist saves ground seventh. Jade's Ideal is into the flow. Then it's Busted again. Ammo Sid and Mackenzie's Bliss. They're halfway home and it's Golden Receiver the best there and hits the half in 55-4, 28-3. Second quarter breather. First over grind for Tommy Shark gets a bit closer second now. All-American Shaker in the box. Blue Boy working out a second over trip with 3/8 out. Cha-Cha Star locked in fifth now as they head to three quarters. Jade's Ideal is third over. Harris Best is locked in, and then on the outside comes Busted again, followed by Stretch Artist on the rail, Ammo Sid, and Mackenzie's Bliss. Golden Receiver, Tommy Shark first over, and All-American Shaker needs room, 124-1. Into the stretch drive, it's Golden Receiver, the one to knock off. Tommy Shark game first over, off cover, here comes Blue Boy, and Dave Miller unleashes him. No room for All-American Shaker. Blue Boy takes the lead. It's Blue Boy drawing clear. Shaking loose late, Harris Best into second. Blue Boy, Harris Best, Golden Receiver, and Stretch Artist was up for fourth. Blue Boy scores again from the second tier, 152-1. $11 Blue Boy, the unofficial winner. Number 9, Harris Best was second. 5 Golden Receiver third, a photo for fourth, 152-1. A reminder, simulcast wagering continues as another wagering option for you today. Simulcasting offered here, day-night simulcasting Monday and Tuesday, live racing now Wednesday through Sunday. Live racing resumes Wednesday at 7 p.m. Complete racing and simulcast schedules on our website, meadowlandsracetrack.com. The 8th Stretch Artist was fourth in the photo, 11-9, 5-8. $11 Blue Boy,